Welcome to the ultimate guide to pronouncing Dogecoin. Are you ready to learn everything there is to know about this popular cryptocurrency? So, let's start with the most pressing question. Is it pronounced Doge or Doggy? Well, the correct pronunciation is actually Doge, like the internet meme. Dogecoin was created in 2013 by two software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It was created as a parody of Bitcoin, but it quickly gained popularity as a legitimate cryptocurrency. The full name of Doge is actually Doge meme Shiba Inu. The dog in the meme is a Shiba Inu, a Japanese breed of dog. It became popular on the internet in 2013. The name Doge is a misspelling of the word dog. The dog in the meme is often portrayed as speaking in broken English, which is where the misspelling comes from. Dogecoin started out as a joke, but it has since become a legitimate cryptocurrency. It has a market cap of over $60 billion and is accepted by many online retailers. The abbreviation Doge actually stands for Do Only Good Every Day. This is a reference to the community's desire to use Dogecoin for good causes. There you have it, everything you need to know about Dogecoin. So, go out there and impress your friends with your newfound knowledge.